making it an obvious target for an attack. After stealing themselves, the Mapi Sores launched their assault directly.
Recent research.
The leader of the Protosaurus herd heard its companions' cries and moved to help, but the Mapi Sores had already struck first. Under the Mapi Sores siege, the elderly Protosaurus slowly collapsed, its life entering the final countdown. By the time the Protosaurus leader arrived, he was clearly a powerful specimen, taking down one small fry with a single tail whip. But as he prepared to continue the fight, he realized his companion